Hey everyone, I'm still not sure if I got this right or not. um, we lowered it and then it kind of keeps tilting, so I'm not sure if I'm doing this right or not. But anyway, so looking at this palette, it was hard for me to make a decision because my goodness, I see three off the bat looks that I can do with this. So I decided to go with that. Let me see. With that. I'm not even sure what to use for highlight. I guess I'm going to have to go with the yellow because that's all they have. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to use the black or that color as the, the deep crease color. So here goes. So I just put RSVP on my lid because I was overwhelmed and didn't know what to use. And I also have a 2 o'clock appointment. It is now noon. It's a telemed appointment, but still, I don't want to be late. So let's start with the that very pretty pink color there. The color was crumbling as you stick the brush in it. Oh, it's so pretty. That is really pretty. So I'm going in with this color. And there goes the fallout, but that's okay. Okay, that's pretty. Alright. Well, now that I'm applying this color, it's kind of sheer. Like maybe it was meant to go over something else. Okay, going in with that bright yellow color I showed you. This bright yellow here. Honestly, I don't think that needs a deep crease color. That's pretty intense, that purple. I think I'm going to go into this yellow for the inner corners. Of course I have to clean up, but my hand still hurts. Alright, I'm going to go in with the other side of this brush here and use those bottom colors. Whoa, that's really intense. The other side had the other color. I let it mix in because that was too strong. Alright, going in with the other side of the brush. And I gotta clean all that up, but I just wanted to... Oh, that's nicer than the one from last week. Alright, let me clean up, finish my makeup, and I'll do my lips on camera. I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I did all my makeup and let's do the lipstick. Just like the other one, some of it. So this is Goth Girl, and these are liquid lipsticks. And on top of it, Little Miss Punk. That's gorgeous. So I did wind up using this color right here. It's like a black with purple shimmer, and I did wind up using it on the outer V, and then I did my under eyes, you know, I put my concealer and all that. Then I decided to put it over the black liner on the bottom, and it's one of those colors that just goes everywhere. It's still going under. I had to do my eyes like twice, and you can still see that it's going under. And it looks a little messy, but maybe it'll look goth. I don't know. So yeah, so I try not to wash my hair. I try to hold on to washing my hair to once a week so I can have the color last. But my husband was telling me that it came out so much more intense this time, and I used Yes to Unicorn Hair Mask, and I put that on after I did my hair and let it sit for, it said to leave it in for about 3 minutes. And I think that's what might have made it so intense. My hand still hurts, so I gotta be careful. But what I did was, what happened was that it has been, heat index was up to like 110. And I was pouring out sweat with 2 fans on me. I would wake up with my hair and my pillow drenched in sweat, and because I didn't wash it, I usually wash it twice a week, it was itching so bad, so I had to get up Saturday morning and I had to wash it. I couldn't take the itching, and I thought that my hair would hold out till tomorrow, and I think it would have. But again, I'm just waking up drenched. I just drenched. My pillow's drenched in sweat from my hair. It's just been so hot. And I don't like leaving the air conditioner on at night. I don't want my bill to get too high and then it gets too cold. So I had to wash it this morning. I was just drenched in sweat. So yeah. And it's still pretty good, I think, the blue. The only thing I don't like is that the green still looks teal. But the yellow's still going strong, and the orange seems to be going strong, and the red, and the purple, and so that's what happened with my hair. I did a unicorn hair mask.